Hello, hello, hello. Are you ready to improve your English with this incredible technique? Well, watch this video till the end. This technique is called shadowing. Shadowing means that you listen to a dialogue in a target language and you repeat aloud word for word. It will definitely improve your pronunciation.
Count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Blue, blah, flu, flank.
Good job.
Thank you.
But how? These are the steps that you should follow. Step 1. Choose an audio or video that you like and it is based on your level. Step 2. Choose a scene that the actor has a short but simple dialogue.
I can't do it, Troy. Not with all these people staring at me.
In this part, you have to listen very carefully. If you're a beginner, you can read the transcript while listening. Play it several times until you understood it completely. Now here comes the fun part. You have to repeat the dialogue. Remember, the meaning is not important here. You have to imitate the speaker's voice. Imagine you're acting and then start speaking. Repeat these steps and there you go. This is the shadowing technique. For a better understanding, I use this technique for a scene in France. Hope you enjoy and thanks for watching. What? I didn't have a good time in Greece. Ross abandoned me, okay? Couldn't get a plane out, so I had to stay in their honeymoon suite. People coming up to me all the time going, "Oh, Mrs. Geller, why are you crying?"